Hello and welcome. In this video, I will walk you through about the concept of conditional compilation, and in the next video we will see conditional execution. Okay, so what is conditional compilation? The designer can specify that the particular portion of the code to be compiled only if a certain flag is set. Okay, now see what are different conditional compiler directives. Tick, backtick, if def, backtick else, backtick else if, backtick and if. Okay, so these all compiler directives are defined by using backtick construct. Okay, now by using this conditional directives, compiler directives, the user is getting an extra power, or we can say that user is getting an additional power so that he can direct to the compiler what to compile or what not to compile. Okay, let me repeat. By using this conditional directives, compiler directives, the user is getting an extra power so that he can direct to the compiler what to compile or what not to compile. Now see, this is what very simple example I have taken here, in which I am declared two module example 1 and module example 2, and in that I am just printing the hierarchical name of the module. What is hierarchical name here? Example 1. And in this second example module, %m will print this hierarchical name example 2. When there is certain condition, when certain flag is set to 1. Now see, by using this backtick define, I am defining one flag, test is equal to 1. So if test flag is 1, I am saying that compile this example 1. Else, if test flag is not set, compile this example 2. So this is what define, tick define, backtick define, test flag is 1. If backtick, if def, test. So it means compile the module example 1 only if test flag is set. Else, backtick else, compile this module example 2. Okay, and I am ending this backtick end if. So we will see how it will compile this example 1 and example 2. Now see, backtick define test is equal to 1, then it will compile this example 1. Now we will run this code. Very simple example. Go to transcript, put q verilog file name. Now we want the output as example 1. Okay, now we will see what the output we are getting. Now see, we are getting the output as expected. It will printing module example 1 is compiled. Why? Because we have defined this flag test is equal to 1. Now if I commented this, what will happen? The compiler will compile this else part, and what is present in this else part, example 2, and I am printing this module %m will print this hierarchical name example 2. Now we'll see, if I commented this means test flag is not set, so it will compile this else part, backtick else part. Now go to transcript and put the same command q verilog file name. Now we want that the compiler should compile example 2. Okay, now see what we are getting output. Now we are getting the output as expected. Now see, module example 2 is compiled. So it means that with the help of this compiler directives, the user is getting an additional power. By this, he can direct to the compiler what to compile or what not to compile. So this is what all about compiler directives. Backtick if def, backtick else, compiler directives. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I will try to explain you what is conditional execution, and we will see some examples of tick time scale compiler directives also. Tick include is also there, and we will try to see those questions in the later video. So I hope you enjoyed video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.